In a world increasingly burdened by the weight of climate change, pollution, and ecological degradation, the solution might just lie beneath our feet, quietly waiting to be recognized. Rocks, often overlooked as mere geological formations, hold the potential to become unsung heroes in humanity's quest to save the planet. These ancient guardians of the Earth, through innovative methods and scientific advancements, could play a pivotal role in combating the very crises that threaten our existence. Consider enhanced rock weathering, ERW, a groundbreaking technique that involves crushing basalt into fine particles and spreading it across land. This process not only enriches the soil, but also captures carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, storing it in a stable form for thousands of years. The sheer scale of this potential is staggering. If implemented globally, ERW could remove up to 2 billion tons of CO2 annually, significantly contributing to our efforts to mitigate climate change. Imagine a world where our agricultural practices not only produce food, but also actively pull carbon from the air, creating a positive feedback loop that benefits both the environment and our livelihoods. Beyond carbon capture, certain minerals, such as peridotite, offer another remarkable avenue for addressing climate change. When peridotite reacts with CO2, it transforms into solid carbonates, effectively locking away carbon in a stable form. This natural process, known as mineral carbonation, could be harnessed on a larger scale, providing a sustainable method for reducing atmospheric CO2 levels. The beauty of this approach lies in its simplicity. Nature has already devised a solution, and we merely need to facilitate and scale it. Water, the lifeblood of our planet, faces its own set of challenges, particularly from toxic heavy metals that seep into our rivers and lakes. Here, zeolites come into play as natural filters, capable of trapping these harmful substances and purifying water sources. By utilizing zeolites in water treatment processes, we can safeguard our drinking water and restore the health of aquatic ecosystems. This mineral not only serves to cleanse but also to rejuvenate, making it a vital ally in our battle against pollution. The oceans, too, are in peril, suffering from rising acidity levels that threaten marine life. Olivine sand, derived from volcanic rock, offers a promising solution. When spread across ocean surfaces, olivine reacts with seawater, absorbing excess CO2 and counteracting acidity. This simple yet effective method could help restore the delicate balance of marine ecosystems, allowing coral reefs to thrive once more and supporting the myriad species that depend on them for survival. In this way, rocks can play a crucial role in not just preserving marine biodiversity, but also ensuring the health of our planet's oceans. Furthermore, the significance of rare earth-bearing rocks cannot be overstated in our transition to renewable energy technologies. Wind turbines and batteries, essential components of a sustainable future, rely on these minerals for their construction and functionality. By investing in the responsible extraction and utilization of these resources, we can accelerate the shift away from fossil fuels and toward a cleaner, greener energy landscape. The rocks beneath us are not just inert materials. They are vital components of the technologies that will power our future. As we grapple with the environmental collapse that looms ever closer, it becomes increasingly clear that the solutions may already exist within the very foundation of our planet. Rocks, in their various forms, offer innovative strategies to combat climate change, purify our water, and restore ecosystems. They are the silent warriors in our fight against environmental degradation, waiting for us to recognize their potential. In this narrative of resilience and hope, it is essential to acknowledge that the answer to saving the world may indeed lie hidden beneath our feet, waiting for us to unearth it and harness its power. The time has come to look down, to embrace the gifts of the earth, and to champion the rocks that could lead us toward a sustainable future.